Please subscribe, like, and share.
Hi guys, it's Jen. What's up, y'all? I hope you're doing good. For this painting, I did a kiss pour. And this kind of pour is tough for me because it's hard to hold 2 cups steady because it's hard for me to use my hands. They are very painful. I don't get to paint much because of it. I originally thought I was going to spin this painting, and at the last second I changed my mind. And I'm glad I did because I absolutely love this painting. I did blow out the edges of the painting with my straw. The white that I pour around the puddle is a mixture of the Deco Art Satin Enamel White mixed with my white house paint and then Floetrol ×2 and some water. Alright, well, we're going to get on to the video in just a moment. But first I wanted to say, you guys, go out and create something amazing. At this point in my life, creating something has made a big difference. And I appreciate you all so much. Please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell. Tell me what you think of this, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.